and see if I can make a weekly vlog. Akwai zafi sosai dan rana yana shiga shi yasa yanzu kuka ga na ja labulan nan amma zan maida shi. Yes, na noticing cewa himar ina bai na saka. I just didn't remove it because na riga da na gama sakawa, so I can't start removing it. I finished losing my hair. I didn't even comb the hair. I just loosed it. I told my, what do I call her? Mekisona. What is Mekisona? Drop it in the comment section. I told her to come and make my hair, but I don't know what happened. She's not here up till now, and it's almost 4 o'clock, I think. But and she didn't call me. So I think I'll just go to the salon tomorrow and just wash the hair. Dama, I'm supposed to wash my hair end of the month and then make my hair. Someone was calling me. Okay, I was supposed to wash my hair end of the month and then make the hair, but Dama, the month is already ended, so I'll just go and wash the hair in the harbor over before making it. Yanzu dai tunda yamma gaskiya ko ta zo ba zan iya yin kiso ba, kuma ina jin kaina yana dan ciwo and ina jin hanci na yana min zafi sosai. Ina ga kawai dai mura ne da yake damu na yasa hanci na yake yin zafin nan sosai. Thank God for the fresh juice brand that I just started. I've been taking the tamarind and the orange juice and it has been helping me. Alhamdulillah. Wallahi, I just believe that is what has been helping me. If not, the abun nan zai kwantar da ni yasa ni zazzabi. So I really don't know if you guys are going to see me today again. I don't even have anything interesting today to show you guys, but I think you guys are going to see me tomorrow, inshallah. So subscribe. Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up. Like yarna tashi wallahi. Uncle Arif kuma shi adole maman shi ne ta mishi wanka. I don't know, he's playing with the water. Let me go and bath him. Oh Lord have mercy, oh Lord have mercy. And I have to drive them to school. It's so not easy. Nasira, wallahi kullum in ina kai yara makaranta, I only remember you. You are trying, honestly. It's a full-time job. Guys, can you believe I did not even comb my hair? Well, I did not comb my hair. I don't even know when I'll comb it. Oh, I have mercy. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, let me go and bath him. I'll see you later. Naran said, Allah, this one is equivalent to driving drunk. I've never been drunk in my life. Bismillah. I broke my phone. Where you, Allah? Sabi Pashiva. Hey? So thank God. Pashiva. Thank God. Don't judge me. Why it's so dirty. Saboda ina ga tun da na siye shi yana cikin pouch in shi ban cire shi ba. Kai. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Wow. That BP ya kama ni. Bye bye. Na gama muku magana yau. Guys, I don't want to come out from this car because I'm listening to my favorite imam. I like listening to the firsts whenever I am driving. Like, I feel it brings me, I don't know if you guys can hear me. I feel listening to the firsts brings me closer to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Like, I get to know so I get to know more of his habits. So I feel listening to the first, honestly, it brings me closer to my deen. It brings me closer to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So if you have never listened to the first, I suggest you try listening to it on Yaqeen Institute. I think they have a playlist. So kuje playlist in Zahuga the first, the forerunners. So just listen to it. Just choose randomly. But we say kunji one by one, but just listen randomly. But in Zakuji one by one, it will be better for you. So I hope you enjoy it. You are even going to enjoy it and you are going to thank me later. So I will see you guys later. That's a lot. Containers from one vendor like that. Just want to show you guys. I just want to try, like I want to see how the containers are. So I also restocked my glow oil containers. But I just say by force, by fire, by force, I will turn into a millionaire, inshallah, 2024. So I have to work with the little I have. I really have to work with the little I have. If you want to help me, the only way you can help me is to patronize my business and support me. I will just do what I have to do. So let me share the bottles with you. They are so cute. Bottles are because of these things. So I don't want to come in the skincare who can use it for it or whatever. So it's going to stay intact. Oh, Kasaka bottles, glow oil, no, actually. Why you need containers of glow oil, you know? Let me show you the cover. Who they do find the cover in case it's a dropper. Jama'a ina mura. Kun gan shi? Kun gan shi. So haka yake kuma kamar da sticker mu sai ƙara kyau da armashin kallo. I use this for my glow oil and for my humra. So yanzu kuma this is the latest one that I want to try for my glow. It's so beautiful. What do you think about it? Let me know.
Kaman wannan.
Okay. Are you doing a video?
Yep.
Did you start the video?
Yep. Just imagine pairing this idea with this pizza. Cikin sama sai da daɗi. Ina so mai sa aka haɗo mana sha waje ɗaya. Depends on. Guys, at this point, I think I'm addicted to this 10-minute pizza. I only have one left. Actually, one. Have to order for more. Yeah, okay. I'm supposed to go out and go to the salon, but I'm not feeling it at all. Nazona in at the shed right here. Can you see my skin, Jama'a? I'm having allergic reactions and I don't even know what I am reacting to. Shine my problem. Better not be rake, because even if I'm allergic to rake, I will drink it again. I don't know to rake and it was when I took the kids to school that I say rake. I forgot to show you guys. So please pray for me. Oh. Pray I go to the salon. No, I really need to wash this hair. Oh. Subscribe, please. Bye bye. Say Anjumang. Hi guys, so I just thought to come and say hello. I'm about to go and pick the kids from school. Nasa aba ido na wallahi. Bayin sallah bayan zan nan zan yi sallah, and I'll go and pick up the kids from school. And what again? Okay, I want to quickly press some juices for one of my customers. And then actually I have 2 customers that I'm supposed to press juices for. Then needs a matter delivery in the day kawai hanya ne, because the Natash saying drinks and first customer like fruits and first customer not say shi da yawa. So that is why I even took her order, because I only want to take orders on Saturday and Sunday. And then unless I have orders that will bring me a lot of money, I don't want to take any orders during the weekdays because it is too hectic. When a fruit business mako narens I will have to reprice. Yanzu na sa alternative ta sa kunna min generator ne, so that I'm going to like press the press the juices saboda nepa ba su kawo wuta ba, and I didn't even put all that into consideration. Ga fruits in ma yanzu sun yi shegen tsada. Guys, wallahi ko ina dawa daga wannan Kaduna Fair 4th November din, I'm just going to have to reprice because ba wani riba, and I'm not a charity organization, so dole business sai mutum ya yi riba. So bari in tashi in yi sallah and then press the juice. That is all. I just wanted to update you guys. Please check out my juice page at fresh.ng and support me. Also support my skincare and my turaren wuta business. Say na gan ku anjima, subscribe if you are not. Kun san zafin da ake yi a garin nan? Sai a hankali. So I just finished making my customers drinks. Ɗayan na ba mai mashin zai kai masa. Ɗayan kuma tana kan hanya na ɗaukan yara na a school, so I'll just drop it for her. Let me show you. So this is it. Normally a transparent lid nan nake sawa, but since I want to put like a mini note for her to abun duk zai jijjiga mun notes ina, so I just had to put it in this white leather kafin na saka shi transparent notes. And this one is already iced, and then this one I just finished pressing them for her, so they are not iced. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, I'm here to pick them up. I'm waiting for them to come out. I've already spoken to someone to call them, so I just had to pop in and say hello. Hello, Yakiche, how are you? How is Nigeria treating you? Wala Nigeria sai a hankali, sai a slow. Allah dai kawai ya cigaba da rufa mana asiri, alhamdulillah. So I have a delivery at home. I'm so excited to go and eat. You all know I love eating. I hate cooking, but I love eating. So I'm so excited to go and eat what I have. I hope I don't get disappointed. So I think they're coming. I'll see you guys when I'm at home. I'm back home and of course I'm duka haka nake ji. I really wish this video will continue, like I'll keep energy in you, and also not forget that I'm making a weekly vlog and do it throughout the week. Na gaji sosai, wallahi na gaji. Antine, ina sakon da aka kamun din? This is my package. It is from Yomi's Pastry. So let's see what we have. I want to create a content for my reel, so let me do it, and then after my reel I will show you what I have in here. So guys, I took the kids to school and I'm back. It's like the universe is telling me to try milkshakes. Guys, can you believe I've never ever tried milkshake in my life? Come to think of it, could you imagine the person that sent me milkshake will send me rubbish? Like, I won't even know that it's rubbish. Say the bakina san taste in abu wallahi ko ban taba ci ba na san ko da dadi ko ba dadi. But like, if something is missing, I won't know. So I don't even know what to expect. So there is this vendor that I trust in Zaria that sells amazing shawarma and pizza. So I had they sell milkshake, so I called now and ordered. So I hope I don't get disappointed. I hope it's something I like. I hope I remember to show you guys in Ankara. And I also want to eat some donuts. Yay. I hope my friend Cardis is not watching this, because yesterday she texted me to ask if I'm on a weight gain journey. Guys, like throughout last week and this week, I have been eating rubbish consistently, and I've not been, like, I don't even exercise for the past, like, I think 9-10 days. I have not been going out for my daily works. I need prayers. I need deliverance. Guys, I'm trying to justify why I'm eating and doing all those things. Honestly, it's just boredom. And it's because sometimes I just tell myself that, what if namuta anjima ko, what if namuta gobe kuma banchiba? Like, that is how I try to justify my stupid habits that is not even nice. So don't do that, please. But I will try, inshallah, today and take a walk. Inshallah, I'm going to go on a walk today. And yeah, I'm so glad since I started my fresh juice business, I haven't put soda in my mouth, guys. I've been only I've only been taking my fresh juice, so at least it's a step towards good. So I'll see you guys later. I'll still take my milkshake and donuts today. Yanzu donuts in ma ban biya ta kudin shi ba. Ina ta tunani ko in biya ta nema ko in fasa, amma na san kawai zan biya ta insha Allah. Ba zan iya fasawa ba. Let me even go and pay now before I forget, or before Shaitan will come and dance on my head in ce na fasa ci. So guys, finally my milkshake is here. Is it supposed to be watery? Not water ice ne abin, but it's so cold. Kuna ganin charger na a saman kujera, wala I don't ask. You don't even want to know why. Bari mu bude. To gashi nan. Haka ya kamata ya zama. The shake is so nice, my people. So this is my breakfast today. Gaskiya yana da daɗi. Guys, do you remember my phone da ya faɗi jiya? It's not working today. Na yi ta charging shi. It's not working at all. Yanzu I think I'm going to try and buy a new charger. I am praying to Allah that charger ne lalace. I just hope ba wayan bane ya lalace a wannan zafa mode din waya ya kama ya lalace. Oh Lord, have mercy. Allah ya sa charger ne. I will just try yanzu zan aika a neman min wani charger. Magani. I just hope it's the charger, not the phone. Guys, I want to send an order out to a customer. This place is a mess. Just excuse the mess. I really love how she packaged it. Wallahi yayi kyau sosai. Donuts on ga muku laushi kuma yana da daɗi. Yanzu I'm going to wait for my fresh watermelon juice to melt so that I will eat my donuts with it. I'm trying to reheat my fridge from 2 days ago. I don't want to put it in the microwave. Yes guys, I'm using my fridge as a tabletop. So this is what I'm eating today. I wanted to pair it with my fresh.ng, but duka yayi kankara and I want to pair it with water. This is my customer's order, but I just want to show you the turaren wuta. I'm going to send it out now. Wala yau ko wanka ban yi ba. Ya dai baya son ya bude. Wala kun ga turaren wutar nan? For me, I'm not even advertising this turaren wuta, because if you like turaren wuta, just buy it. In ba kwa so kar ku saya. Shine kawai. I know it might sound harsh, but na san cewa if you have sense and you buy this turaren wuta, you are going to continue buying it. Definitely. Nobody will buy this turaren wuta and not come back for more. Gaskiya. This is how my hands look like trying to go out. Wallahi sai da na kankarar da abin da na iya na cigawa da shan shi.